Alright, we're going to take some interior out here. Now, I don't know how this back seat's supposed to be fastened down, but I suspect it's supposed to be fastened down better than that. I'm sure I'll figure it out when it's time to put it back in. But for now, I want to get it out. So it's actually the original seat. Somebody just put a cover on it. At least the cover's made for it, so that's good news. And then these back seats, they've got a hook down here at the bottom. You just pop that off at both sides, pop it outward, and then the whole thing lifts up. So you just lift that out, and then the back lifts off. Like that. This vehicle's got some history. Check this out. Original mud dauber nests. I think those are some sort of a wasp or hornet. And then, of course, the original back seat, bottom seat there, that's all lived in by rodents. So, yeah. Good times, good times. Yep, so these are just held on by these 1/2-inch bolts right here, and they go all the way through to the floor. Getting your cardio up, best workout ever, and you're building your dream car at the same time, or at least something fun to take cruising. So this is a part of the show where we find out that the floor is actually a lot worse than I thought it was. The seat was being held in at each corner, which is good, but it was only being held in by one bolt, and each one's designed for 2, so that's a problem. The other thing I found out is that the rockers have been repaired, but the floor, on the other hand, is in far worse condition than I realized. So we may be doing more repair there than what I had anticipated. I mean, I knew it needed some work, but not to the same degree to which I am discovering. But, you know, when it comes to this kind of stuff, you almost always know you're going to find more stuff than you anticipated. It's rare that a car is better than you think it is. Because that doesn't happen. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. The seats are out. We'll have to roll those carpets back and really get a good look at what's going on. Along its road, this car has had a number of repairs done, some to a better or worse degree. The other thing that I'm finding is that according to the paint codes, this car was originally gray. And so you see here where the trim came off, there's the gray paint, and you can see the gray on the dash and on the undercarriage and places like that. So I'm not sure when the mint green was put on, but I believe that's actually a Cadillac color, as I'm finding out. The thing that's weird about it, though, is when you sand through the green, there is primer, but there's no gray. So it's an interesting history this car has had. But when the green was sprayed, it clearly was done pretty well. I mean, somebody really took the time to mask off everything and even paint inside the engine compartment, the cowl, all that stuff. So we'll continue to make discoveries as we go, and that's just part of, you know, finding these old cars and resurrecting them. This thing was abandoned for 20 years, so can't say it's a real shocker. Somebody, the best thing they did was draw some flames on it, so, you know, hey, that's pretty sweet, right? No, man, it'll be fun. This is going to be a great project. I'm really looking forward to digging in even further, and we'll give you more updates as we go. Take care, you guys. Be safe out there. God bless.